Hello students, welcome back to another episode of 3-Minute English. Today we are going to learn about past continuous tense. We use past continuous tense to refer to actions or events that happen at a certain time, sometime in the past. In this lesson, we are going to look at how we use past continuous tense. Number 1. We use past continuous tense to talk about an action that was in progress at some time in the past. Number 2. We use past continuous tense to talk about two actions continuing at the same time in the past. And number 3, we use past continuous tense to talk about a past habit. Sometimes past continuous tense and simple past tense can be used in the same sentence. Let's look at this example. The teacher was preparing her lesson when the boy walked in. In this example, there are two actions, preparing her lesson and walked in. As you can see, preparing her lesson is an ongoing action while walked in is an interrupting action. We use past continuous tense for the ongoing action and the simple past tense for the interrupting action. Let's look at this example one more time. So that's it for today. See you in the next lesson.